Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. My name is Kay Young, yeah, as in Young Forever. In today's video I'll be doing 2 DIY. But before we get into our video, for my new subscribers, thank you for stopping by. My whole subscribers, I haven't forgot you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And guys, don't forget to turn the notification bell on so each time I upload you will be the first to know. But before we do all of that, you know I have to leave your daily devotion. Okay? So, an intelligent person, open your mind. A beautiful person, open your eyes. A loving, kind person, open your heart. Ain't that beautiful? Now with all I said, let's go DIY. Okay, so for my first DIY, all my supply comes from the Dollar Tree. So we have our ball. Oh, and my theme for this year is, my Christmas decoration for this year is rose gold. I love rose gold. So I have this decor. It's a Christmas house. I have some rose gold ball. I have a floral foam. Oh, this is from Joann. This is not from the Dollar Tree. This is from Joann. I have some metallic rose gold. I have some beads, and I have some mini ornaments, and these I got from Walmart. Now what I'm gonna do is strip this. You can take it off, which I did go ahead and take it off already. So it's looking like this, and I did cut the edges already. I guess some of the edges, I didn't do all of them, but I'm gonna cut off the little. I have some little oak. It's not oak. It's not oak. It's there's some little sticks, picks that was holding the tree on. Yes, so I did go ahead and remove those. I'm gonna use my balls. I'm gonna tuck them in. Okay, so this is what we look like so far. I have to glitter some because some I have is not glitter. So like this one that has the rose gold, and this one. I should have put a rose gold right here. Anyway, I had to paint some in rose gold. I have to glitter some, and these balls I'm gonna put in between, like right here, to cover up the space. But I have to put some rose gold. This is silver, so I have to put some rose gold on these, and I have to let them dry. I'm just gonna put it on the top because the bottom is not gonna show. So in the meantime those are drying, we're going to start on the phone. Now we're gonna do this in rose gold. I believe I have to paint it first, but let's see if it will take the gold without me painting it. I was thinking of painting it in white, but let's see if it will take the gold instead of me after do a double paint. My rose gold is hard for whatever reason, and this is gonna take a lot of paint. Okay, so my cone is dry. Now what I'm gonna do is put on these monograph beads, and I did went and get some light. You know I was gonna put light on it, but I did went and get some light. What's a Christmas cone without light? So I'm gonna do something like this and come down. So this is what we look like. So I did went ahead and get some lights from Walmart, and they're the 18 LED bells. Gallon is $5.88. Like I said, I need some rose gold light, and here we go. So stinking cool. Okay, so that's it so far. And I got me some mini ornaments. They look like trees. So I don't know if I should take these off and glue it on. They come with some hanging ribbons. Take these off and glue them in, or I can just stick them in the... Okay, let's see. So what I did, I go ahead and cover the leaf that I got from these. I'm gonna use it to cover up the light. It's not the light, the string, so it doesn't show with a string. I'm gonna paint this silver. I got these as well at the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna paint it not silver. I'm gonna paint it rose gold. Okay, so this is what my mini tree look like. Okay, for your second project, you're gonna use a candy jar. This is a jumbo candy jar from the Dollar Tree. All my supplies are from the Dollar Tree. Let me put that out. Okay, you'll get some lights. I'm gonna use a house. It's a church house. Real pretty. It lights up like that. Wow. I'm gonna use that. I'm also gonna use an angel. Angel is working, but it's defect. It changed colors. Okay. And I'm gonna use these miniatures that come in a packet too. And I believe I'm gonna use 4 of them. First, I need a hole on the top or the side. As you know, I'm making a snow house. That's what it is, I think. So I'm gonna put a hole on top. I know everybody use lantern. I don't want any lantern. They're just too small. I need something bigger, I believe. Okay, so as I said before, I'm gonna put a hole so I can put the light through the candy bowl. Ooh, and this one is hot. So this is what my bowl look like. lights. Now I'm gonna put my mini Santas. Okay, so we have the snowman, we have Santa, now I'm gonna put in the house. It look like a church house to me. Yeah. No, liking. I'm going to pull out my snow first. I'm going to put in my flake snow first. Because the house I have to take it out to light it with socks, but I mean, this one is pretty easy because I'm finished. I put down my snow, so I'm gonna put in my church. I put my church in. I'm gonna put my angel. Should I put my angel behind? Cause my angel. Oops. Okay. On to my third DIY, which this one is a bonus. I said 2, but this one is a bonus. Okay, I found this cute little recording. I said recording at Walmart. It was the last one. I don't remember how much I paid for it. But listen. Switch. Ain't that stinking cute? Oh my word. Okay, so as I said, I am going for a rose gold theme. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint this in rose gold, just outside, just this red part. I need nothing red, I need rose gold. So I'm gonna paint this and I'll be back. Okay, my diva lovers, here is the finished look. The light is a little bit bright. I'm sorry. That's my music center box. That was the bonus. And that's my snow globe. And this is my Christmas tree. Rose gold, as I said. I'm going for. That's it. I'm not doing a big Christmas tree. That's it. I made two snowball. This little guy here, I love him. He plays all the Christmas carols. Okay guys, now don't forget to like, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so each time I upload you'll be the first to know. And please leave me a comment down the bottom. Tell me which one of these you love or like, whichever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next DIY. Be safe. God bless.